Welcome to my channel, guys, to everything. Today we're going to learn the overview and instructions on how to make a red velvet cake. How to make a red velvet cake at home. How you can make a red velvet cake at home. Make the red cake. Make the red velvet cake batter. How to make it? How you want to make the batter? You start from step one. Step one says prepare the 8-inch round cake pans with parchment rounds. Spray parchment and sides of pan generously with non-stick cooking spray. Whisk together the hot coffee and cocoa powder, setting aside for 5 minutes. Whisk in a separate medium bowl the dry ingredients of the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Step 3. In a large bowl, whisk together the sugar, vegetable oil, and melted butter. Add in egg yolk, whisking egg yolk, whisking until well combined. Add buttermilk, vanilla, and food coloring and whisk to combine. Step 4. Whisk in the vinegar and coffee mixture. Sift the flour mixture in thirds into the wet ingredients, folding until incorporated. Pour the batter evenly between your prepared pans. Tap the bottoms against the counter several times. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 35 minutes or until a cake tester comes out clean. Step 7. Place the cake pans on a cooling rack. Once cooled to the touch, run a thin knife around the edges to loosen the cake and invert onto the cooling racks. Cool completely. Make the cream cheese icing. To make the cream cheese icing, step 1 is using an electric mixer fitted with the paddle attachment or a hand mixer. Beat the cream cheese and butter on medium high speed until light, creamy, and soft. Step 2 is that scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl. Scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl to ensure no clumps remain. Add vanilla and beat until combined. Gradually add in the confectioner's sugar on low speed and beat until the buttercream frosting is fluffy. So these are the ways you can make your creamy cheese icing and also make your red velvet cake batter. After you have done these two, all you have to do is just to assemble them together. In assembling, you lay one of the cake layers flat side up on a cake plate or pedestal. Step 2. Use about a third of the frosting to fill the bottom cake layer, then top with the second cake layer and repeat. Place the final cake layer and repeat. Place the final cake layer flat side up. Use the rest of the frosting to ice the sides and top of the cake using an offset spatula to smooth the icing. Refrigerate until ready to serve. Thanks. I also going to drop this description in my video description. Do not forget to check out how this can be achieved, and do not forget to share this video and subscribe to the channel for more guides. Thanks for watching the video. See you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.